Welcome to Muscle Car Restorations. Established in 1988 by John Balow, our facility is located in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. We are a full-service automobile restoration facility and are known for our exceptional frame-off restorations, custom fabrication, upholstery, major service, and upgrades. We invite you to take a tour of our facility and a look into our successful restoration processes and the techniques that are involved in creating your dream vehicle. First stop on our visit is the newly remodeled Office and Design Center. Our office and management staff are excited to meet you and discuss your projects and vision. Every restoration requires planning and a good understanding of customer wants and needs. Our knowledgeable restoration staff will guide you through our process from beginning to end. You are now entering the Design Center where your dream starts to become a reality. We invite all of our clients to sit down in person or remotely to discuss their project and vision. There are a lot of decisions to make, and we're here to help you the entire way with paint choices, wheels and tire options, upholstery, and any custom design work needed. To help you decide, we have the ability to provide you with hand-drawn sketches, 3D renderings and CAD drawings, and automotive system design. Metal Department. Next stop on the tour is our Metal Department. This is also where we do most of our disassembly work. Attention to detail, efficient organization, and a clean, well-maintained facility are keys to a smooth disassembly process. The disassembly process includes documentation of each vehicle and all parts, parts removal and organization, on-site parts storage. Our metal and fabrication services include repairing and replacing corrosion and collision damaged panels, setting of body and door gaps, and any major structural repairs needed. We can also help with roll cages, rear wheel tubs, and stiffening upgrades for higher horsepower applications. Our expert fabricators can even assist you with reproducing unavailable factory panels or custom sheet metal shaping you may need. We are pleased to offer these major services to existing classic car home builders along with our restoration clients. Call us regarding your metal and fabrication needs. Our facilities are well equipped to handle anything you need. Next stop on the tour is the Body and Paint Department. MCR Restorations are known for their beautiful paint jobs. Our attention to detail in this phase shows in the final product. Our paint department can offer matched factory paint colors, factory OEM finishes, wet sanded and buffed finishes, factory or custom painted stripes. Our bodywork technicians use a variety of techniques to prepare your vehicle for paint. Metal finishing using paintless dent removal equipment helps minimize our use of body fillers. The process includes a number of primer, filler, and sanding steps and stages. Trim and panels are continually mocked up to ensure overall fit and finish will meet your expectations. Now we enter our parts and upholstery areas. Our parts technicians will research, order, test, and review parts to ensure that your vehicle gets assembled with smooth efficiency. Our highly skilled upholstery technicians are ready to add their creative touches to the interior of your vehicle. We welcome upholstery work such as seat foam replacement and reupholstery, headliners, convertible, and vinyl top installs. These upholstery services are available to any classic car owner and not just MCR's full restoration clients. Call us regarding your upholstery needs. Next stop on the tour is our dedicated assembly department, where our assembly technicians work their magic to ensure your vehicle matches your vision and meets your expectations. This is where we breathe life back into your vehicle. Our assembly department offers a wide variety of services, including engine and transmission install, brake conversions and upgrades, EFI conversions, air conditioning install and conversions, as well as complete vehicle wiring, suspension and driveline, rear end upgrades, rebuild, and install. We are pleased to offer these major services to existing classic car owners along with our restoration clients. Call us regarding your assembly, major service, and upgrade needs. While head-turning good looks and a high-performance engine are important, we run your vehicle through a quality control inspection to ensure it delivers a safe, secure ride. Our in-house chassis dyno provides a safe and reliable testing environment. We test responsiveness and handling on the road. Each full restoration is test-driven a minimum of 100 miles. We thoroughly inspect every aspect of its structure before declaring it perfect for you. We keep a clean and organized facility. MCR invites and encourages you to visit us in person and experience the craftsmanship our team puts into each and every project we undertake. Let's put your dream into high gear. Give us a call at 715-834-2223. Visit our website at www.musclecarrestorations.com. Visit our Facebook page at Muscle Car Restorations Inc.